Okay, so me and Ryan are doing the...
I don't know.
I don't know how to pronounce that.
I think... I don't know.
Shirakiku?
Yeah, they're Japanese.
And you push... Should I do mine now?
Yeah.
Alright.
I lost my thing. It didn't work.
Yeah, it went in. Alright. Ta-da! Hi guys, so we're gonna do face mask now. My camera's like not really in focus, but I don't really care. I have sherbet and cupcakes. I have sherbet and cupcake scented face masks. I don't know which one I'm gonna do first. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do sherbet. They're sheet masks. Ryan has cotton candy and donut. I don't know which one she's gonna do first, but okay. So before I do the face masks, my cousin's mom made us like little goodie bags for prom, and mine's purple is my hair, and then hers is orange. And she put Sour Patch Kids in there, and then we got a bath bomb, chapstick, which I can't open, and I chipped my nail. So let's go try and open it. And 2 face masks, and like I said, I'm gonna do sherbet. Do you know which one you're gonna do?
Donut, I think, first. This is my makeup bag. This is Molly's makeup bag.
Show them what's inside. Seriously, like my whole, she can't even, oh my god. Like there's like every, Sephora's in here.
All of
Sephora, Ulta, Kylie, they're shaking.
Mine has like 3 things.
That's me.
Yes.
So we got flower crowns instead of corsages. And the pink one's mine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a baby's birthing a pink ribbon. Rand's got a purple one. And we got them to match our hair because my hair is purple and hers is pink. So this is Rand's makeup. It's like really simple. You can't really tell because the lighting's really bad, but she's got some highlight on, blush, contour, and her eyes are really simple. She put some eyelashes on. And these are
really weird.
Yeah, she's never worn lashes before, like ever.
Like now, when I keep my eyes open, they feel fine because I've had them open.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what are these little spicy looking things?
Alright, so I'm just moisturizing my face. I'm not really gonna be saying what I'm doing. It's kind of just a...
I'll watch me do my makeup video.
Yeah.
Okay, let's...
Love my hair. I love it. Look like Billy Cyrus. Going like hardcore with the primers.
They do. They always do, bitch. I'm impressive.
Yeah, I look crazy. I just put so much foundation on my face.
It's hard to do the other one.
Oh, my face is burning. Oh my god.
Good.
My face is like actually burning right here. I've used this foundation before too, the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. My upper lip is burning, and that's never happened before. I don't like that at all. This foundation is like not my friend today. Look at the eyebrows. I love them. I think they look so good. My camera stopped recording. I kind of didn't care to fix it. I just did my face makeup. Nothing special. My hair is still falling out. I look like a train wreck, and I'm going to do my eyeshadow now. Because I don't look like a clown. Seriously, I look like a meth head. Tack that on. And then I'm going to put Jaclyn Hill Beam on top.
My nails are so small and such weird shapes that this is like a nightmare.
We already fucked up. You know what? I'm doing this off camera. Bye. Still look like a fucking mess with my hair though. Just did my eyebrows and mascara off camera. And now we are just me right now. Okay, so that's good. They look okay? This one? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Into my room.
Say hi. We're all ready.
Better? No.
Is this videotaping?
Yes.
Oh.
It's from my
Cody, stay over here.
Cody, come over here.
No, they're
You gonna put a crown on her?
too big.
I don't know.
Oh,
how
she-
to-
Like, what do you want? Like,
Well, weren't we just gonna do like a
Cody,
little
don't go to the road.
headband type?
Oh, that looks cute, Mom.
Stay, I'm scared.
Don't move.
don't move your head. Because I'm more average.
Oh, that looks cute. You look.
See it.
I mean,
Aww. I love you guys.
Okay,
don't
so
cry.
You can help it. You can give me. I'm gonna show you how to use the camera now.
The way.
We're at prom and okay, so we're gonna say goodbye now.
Bye.
Alright, bye. Bye, Ryan. Bye. See you next time. What did she just do? What did she just do? You're a sneaky.